There are a lot of design styles, in the market. You have a lot of people who go in for the carved and the curved and the ornate and the embossed. A lot of people have taste for Italian furniture or imported furniture. They have a different kind of finishing. A lot of people like branded stuff. There are a lot of brands in the market available. A lot of people are looking for ready off the shelf. That has a really nice look. It's very, I picked it. There was a reason for it. I put it this way. It has a personal touch. And a lot of people are looking for something that, is designed for them, is made for their house. And that's where a lot of the designers today fall into. We are trying to make something customized for your needs. It's like getting a tailor-made dress. It's like getting a handmade watch. Those are all things where there is an expert involved. He or she knows what they are doing. They take your requirements. They might say, this is not possible. Your watch cannot transpond you today. Take their feedback. Sometimes it's true. And you can actually work with them. And that's the important part. There are overall many different styles. A lot of people would say they are modern. That's how Rennovate is. We are very modern. A lot of people would say they're very Indian. A lot of people might say they are very classical with all the curved and carved and everything. So everyone has a styling which makes them happy at the end of the day. All designers across the board, whoever you may go to, they are working not just for the business of your project, but for the joy of your project. So if your project comes out well, that is just the happiest day for that person. So in 99% of the cases, they want you to be happy. They want you to be happy with their design and the product. So don't think that, this person, is not trying to give you the best design or any such thing. Design fee will give you a better design than no designing at all. Rest assured. So that's one thing about design fee. There are a lot of design fees in the market. They range from 5% to 20%, depends on who you are going to. A lot of designers might tell you that the design fee is included or it's not charged. Like I said, there are no free lunches. It's probably embedded into the price point of the various articles. A very scary thing and a flag would be that they are not telling you what is the material used. In that case, they are actually embedding the design fee. This goes for a contractor as well, into the quality of the product. That is a lacuna you should not get into. Make sure that the designer has the right taste, has the right intentions. They are very clear about what they're using, very clear about what timelines they're coming into, and they are as transparent as is possible by industry standards, which is finish, core material, hardware, brands, and all the paints and lights and fans. They're telling you what exactly it is. So that's how much clarity you do need when you are entering the project. A lot of people tell us, we are hiring you because we can't get into it. But I do remember when I had to get a website made, I had to bother to tell them where I want what, because it's my vision. In the same way, it's your home. Or any designer needs that much input. So in no way will your involvement equal to a person practicing in the field or having studied for it. In no way will it be at the same level, but you do need to be involved. So I hope this helps, guys. This is good advice from us to you.